Do you think you have wrist pain? Well, think again. Wrist pain. Well, of course you have wrist pain. That's why you clicked on the video. Do you feel like you have carpal tunnel syndrome in your wrist? Your wrist usually bothers you. You don't know how to help yourself. You don't know how to help it. Well, stick around. I think I have something for you. The 5 steps that will help you relieve pain in your wrist, if not get rid of your carpal tunnel. Press right here in your forearm. You'll feel that meaty part of your forearm. Feel that? And about a pound or 2 pounds of pressure until you start to feel a slight burning sensation. Sorry about my voice. I'm wearing braces, so I have a slight lisp. So, anyways, squeeze that. Rotate your wrist. Open your hand like this. Rotate it. Next step, squeeze the broad part of your forearm. Okay? Now, do the same thing. Rotate it 360 degrees. Feels pretty good. Rotate it the opposite direction.
Am I loved? Yes, you are. You are loved.
Step 3, or a third technique. Put pressure the same spot as you did for the first one, but this time, ball up your fist. Don't tense up, just soft, like that. Just slightly ball up your fist. Rotate it 360 degrees while you're still holding pressure in your forearm. Continue to rotate, 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 then do it the opposite direction. Okay? Here's technique 5 or 4. Whatever. Okay? Anywhere that you feel slight burning sensation, but in your case you may feel a lot of pain, squeeze it tightly. But this time, instead of balling up your fist, this is step 4. Open your hand. Okay? Like you're holding a cup, not a coffee cup, but a regular sized cup. Okay? And with your forearm squeezed, you're going to rotate your wrist again. You're going to feel it in your fingers this time. And then rotate it the opposite direction. It's going to be quite difficult in the beginning, but your wrist will start to get really, really heavy. It's because you're increasing blood flow to that area, building up circulation in your wrist. Feels pretty good. Now, for the last and final technique of the day, instead of squeezing, you're just going to grab your hand, your 4 fingers, okay? Pull them back as far as you can. But instead of just pulling them back, you're going to resist. See that? Like every few seconds, bring it up. You're resisting. You're stretching your fingers, so you're getting increasing blood flow. Everything we did with this, like step 1, squeeze, open your hand. Step 2, squeeze here, open your hand, rotate it. Step 3, or technique 3, squeeze here again from step 1. Ball up your fist, not too tight. Rotate it, rotate it, rotate it. Okay? Step 4, cup your hand, right? Rotate it, rotate it, rotate it, and do it the opposite direction. Step 5, or technique 5, pull your hand back. And while you're pulling your hand back, resist. Well, hello everybody. I hope you liked it. Please like, subscribe, and comment, please. Yeah, I'm wearing braces, or Invisalign, or it's called Smile Direct, but it doesn't matter. It's all good. It's all good in the neighborhood. Can't wait to hear from you.